urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Willard and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fitchville, Norwalk, New London, Wakeman. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Huron, Ohio,